Hello everybody, I will be doing an unboxing of this wooden ice cream set that I got from Aldi. Excited. So first, start with removing the plastic. Let's put it over here. Then we have a cup first, a nice little plastic cup, and a chocolate ice cream. Very nice. And then we have two more flavors. This one is apparently birthday cake. And this one is mint, as it says on the box. So I'm just stacking them, as you can see right here. Next is one of my favorites. It's the ice cream scooper. It's really cool. It actually functions. Been wanting one of these. So like example, you could like put it on. Oh, hold up. Here. So here's an ice cream cone. An example. It's like I could pick this ice cream cone up, right? Put it inside and remove it like that. Really cool. And these are what the ice cream cones look like. They look very nice. We get two in there. And we also get a nice raspberry flavored ice cream. So there was 4 flavors. Those are the 4 flavors. Here is all of them stacked together. I'm going to put them on a cone so it looks nice and fresh like this. Very nice. You could also put them in a cup. You could just have one flavor like that. And then next we have a ice cream tub that apparently opens up. That does open up. So let's put our ice cream flavors inside. So first, let's start with, and then these things like come off. So pretty cool. In case you just want a plain ice cream cone, if you want a decorated one. So first, let's remove the flavor from this. From this nice chocolate one. Okay, let's try to remove it. Put it in the box. Very nice. We'll take the next flavor. Also put it inside the box. Very nice. Have another flavor. Mint. And as before, raspberry. They really should have called this flavor strawberry. Let's get it going a little bit quicker. There. Then we also have a few more things left. So we took out the ice cream cones, put the ice creams in the ice cream box, with the cup again, the ice cream scooper, the ice cream cones with a removable little paper thing around it, which is very nice indeed. And we have these chocolate sauce. It does open like this. And you're gonna drizzle it on your ice cream. A lot of people like ice cream sauce. And our final, second to last touch is this nice little wooden spoon for like serving its customers. Like if you, for example, let's say, let's open the ice cream. We're doing an example. Let's also remove this plastic. And let's take the playmat out. If it will decide to come out for me. It did. Let's take the back of the box. For example, put it right here. That's what it looks like. So flip it. Make it look like this. Let's pretend we're working. So first we have ice cream. Let's see. Ice cream scooper. Let's get, would you like a cone or a cup? Cone? Okay. Wrapping? No wrapping. Wrapping? Got it. You would like, chocolate? Very classic. I like that flavor too. So let's put them all here. Become like they're already part of it. So it's a nice chocolate. Like some Swenson to you. Raspberry. Okay. Strange. Raspberry and chocolate. I guess not so strange. Mint. Okay. Birthday cake. Very neat. Here is your ice cream. Yep, it works just like that. And so there's like little holes at the bottom so you can like connect them. So like first you have birthday cake, put away. Mint, put away. Raspberry, put away. And then our final, the most classic flavor here. Chocolate. Like if you want to put it in a cup, like for example, let's take you want, like for example, you want let's say you want mint and birthday cake. You just attach it to here. Put it inside. Put the birthday cake inside as well. You have to fit it in, or put it in. Doesn't really matter if it's jiggle or not. And let's say you want some chocolate syrup. Put it to the side. Take your spoon, put it in, served. That's how it would be like. So this was the unboxing preview. It's very nice. My favorite thing about this whole unboxing was, my favorite was probably this ice cream scooper because I love how it includes one and just doesn't make you like use your hands, you know? Very, very nice. And I like how it actually works. It's like you remove it, so I can remove the ice cream, like take the ice cream, remove it, like that. And so, if you haven't seen, here are the flavors. This one's chocolate, mint, birthday cake. Oh, this one's raspberry, actually. Mint, birthday cake, and chocolate. So the nice flavors, delicious ice cream. And you should like and subscribe and join the next video. Bye.